Boys and gals, so the next video of the day is going to be what's inside these MetaZoo Theme Deck boxes. So if you've never seen what's inside these boxes before, stay tuned and we're going to go through it in this video. So the first box that we got here is the Queen Salamander box. And of course it does come with the Salamander Queen promo and a pack. We'll be opening all the promos and the packs at the end of the video. What you're interested in is what is in this brick of cards. This brick of cards right here. Okay. So here's what's inside. We got the Salamander Queen, giant salamander. Looks like you get 5 of those. And then the Fire Elemental, you get 2 of those. Charman, looks like you get 4 of those. Spontaneous Combustion, you get 3 of those. Fire Enchant, you get 3 of those. Fireball, looks like you get 3 of those. Bookmark, you only get 1 of those. Unending Fire Crystal, non-holographic, you get 1 of those. This Chaos Crystal is worth quite a bit of money, so I'm actually going to take that right out of the deck. And we're just going to play with that. And then I think it comes with like 10 Flame Auras or something, and then a Desert. So that's what comes in the Salamander Queen deck. It's a nice little starter deck for somebody. This one specifically is one that my girlfriend's going to be playing with. And then the one that I'm interested in playing with is this Hopkinsville Goblin deck. Okay, so again, we got the Hopkinsville Goblin King promo card and then a pack. And of course we got a brick of cards. And you want to know what's inside this brick of cards so that you can make a decision on whether or not you buy this deck more than likely. So we're going to look at what's inside this brick of cards. Okay, so we got the Hopkinsville Goblin King, one of those Hopkinsville Goblin. Looks like you get maybe 10 of those, because you're allowed 10 of them, and there's a shit ton of them in there. I'm not even going to count them. And then you get 3 Boo Hogs, 3 Bunnymans, ooh, 2 Death Beams, non-holographic, 2 Bogs, 2 Necromancies, a Bookmark and a Blood Ruby, and then another Chaos Crystal, which we're going to set aside to put in a slab, and then you get 2 Nighttime, and I'm guessing 10 Dark Aura. So that's what comes in the Hopkinsville Goblin King deck. Now let's look at the Alpha Iceman deck. So we got the Alpha Minnesota Iceman promo card and then another Mothman pack. And then we got the brick of cards. So let's see what's inside this brick of cards. Alrighty, so we got the Alpha Minnesota Iceman holographic. And then Kushtaka, 2 of those. Minnesota Iceman, it looks like you get 6 of those. GG Bird, you get 4 of those. White Thang, you get 4 of those. Icy Path, you get 2 of those. Slow, you get 2 of those. Bookmark, you get 1 of those. An Eternal Snowflake, another Chaos Crystal, and 2 Snow Wings, and I'm guessing 10 Frost Auras. So far we're just flying through these decks. We got 2 left. I'm going to save the best for last, which is that Dingbell Ringleader deck. Okay, we got a different pack this time. We got the Puckawoogie Chieftain, and then we got a Babe the Blue Ox pack. And then we got the brick of cards. And we got the Puckawoogie Chieftain on the top there. Okay, so we got the Puckawoogie Chieftain, and then we got some Puckawoogies. Looks like you get 6 of them. And then some Agro-Pelters, some 2 of those. Some 4 Mantis Mans, 2 Roperites, 3 Thorned Whips, 3 Razor Leaves, a Bookmark, a Forest God's Amber, a Chaos Crystal, 2 Forests, and then I'm guessing 10 Forest Auras. And then last but not least, we have this Dingbell Ringleader deck. We got yet another different pack art. This time we got a Ho Dang It. And we got the Dingbell Ringleader. Okay. So last but not least, we got Dingbell Ringleader. And then we got some Dingbells. It looks like you got maybe 8 of them. And then 3 Ball Lightnings, 2 Terror Birds, 2 Lightning Bolts, 2 Hastes, 3 Distractions, a Bookmark, a Lightning Glass, a Chaos Crystal, 2 Lightning Storms, and then I'm guessing 10 Lightning Auras. So that's what you get with your Dingbell Ringleader deck. Honestly, all these decks seem great. If you haven't already gotten all 5 decks for $70 or less, then go to Goss Card World and you can also pick up these decks for the same price. But anyway, thanks for watching, and everybody peace out. Oh, I forgot about the little stack of cards I had over here. So we have all these chaos crystals, and then we have all these promo cards, and then all these packs. So I'm gonna do something with these real quick, and then we're gonna open the packs, and y'all are gonna see what I get, because maybe I'll get a Mothman or something. Okay, so let's open some packs. I got a bookmark, a killer clown, a water gun, and old green eyes. Funeral Mountain Terror Shot, Hide Behind, Thorned Whip, a Chippy Quetzal reverse holographic, and then a desert and a cosmic aura. Okay, we got Bat Squatch, GG Bird, Wapaloosie, Space Penguins, Crossroads, Luck Potion, Kentucky Hellhound, Einfield Monster, reverse holographic, Island, and Dark Aura. Okay, we got Bookmark, Lake Worth Monster, Matlock, Sam's 4-Leaf Clover, Black Cat, Mehemune, Stone Skin, reverse holographic, Fresno Night Crawlers, Forest and Earth Aura. Hopefully one of these is a full holographic. Exploding Mine, Giant Salamander, River Dino, Snow Wasset, Earthquake, Huggin' Molly, Kentucky Hellhound, reverse holographic, Tripodero, River and Earth Aura. Last pack magic, y'all. We got to get a full holographic out of this pack. Antidote, Giant Salamander, Water Gun, Tripodero, Fog of War, Lightning in a Bottle, Stone Skin, and another reverse holographic, Einfield Monster. And then Nighttime and Earth Aura. And that is really it for the video, y'all. I don't have anything else other than to put these chaos crystals in some sleeves and go and get them graded and then play with my new decks. So anyway, peace out, and I love y'all.